Good morning everyone. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Lalbagh Girls Inter College Lucknow. Children, I am Shalini ma'am. Today we will read a very interesting story about a king who is very responsible and about his kingdom, the people of his kingdom who are very much irresponsible. Let us read the story. The Responsible King. Once upon a time, there was a king who lived in a palace on the banks of a river. एक समय में एक राजा था जो अपने महल में रहता था and his palace was on the banks of the river. नदी के किनारे उसका महल था. He was unhappy because the people of his kingdom were irresponsible. He was not happy because the people of his kingdom were not responsible. They were irresponsible. Every time he went out of his chariot, he used to see stones and rubbish lying on the roads. Whenever he used to go out on his chariot, this is rath. Rath को बोलते हैं बेटा chariot. He used to see the stones and rubbish, everything dirty and rubbish lying on the roads. Every time he sailed in his boat, he found the river very dirty. Whenever he was sailing in his boat, he found the river also dirty. Alas, why are my people so irresponsible? He moaned. Now he was very sad, the king was very sad, seeing that the people of his kingdom are so much irresponsible. Why do they not keep the roads clean? Now the king is asking himself, why these people in my kingdom, they do not clean the roads? Why do they make the roads clean? He thought for a while and said, I must teach them a lesson. Then the king thought that he will teach these people a good lesson. One night he took a bag of gold coins with him and went to the main road. His wazir was also with him. Now one night the king took the bag of gold coins. The gold coins were inside the bag and the wazir was also with him, and he went to the main road. He saw a pit in the middle of the road. There he saw a pit, एक गड्ढा देखा रोड के बीच में. He put the gold coins in it. Then the king and the wazir covered the pit with the big stone. Now he put all the gold coins which were in the bag in that pit. उस गड्ढे में सारे gold coins डाल के then they covered that pit with the stone, big stone. उस pit को एक बड़े stone से ढक दिया. Next day a man came along the road in his cart which was full of coal. He saw the big stone in the middle of the road, but he was not worried about it. He drove his cart around the stone. Next day a man came in his cart. उसकी एक गाड़ी थी जिसमें क्या भरा हुआ था? कोयला. He saw the big stone in the middle of the road, but he was not bothered and he was not worried. He drove the cart round the stone. वो दूसरे रास्ते से अपने कार्ट को लेके चला गया. Then another man came along with a flock of sheep and goats. The man did not pay attention to it, drove his flock around the other side of the stone. Another man came, flock एक झुंड के साथ आया, भेड़ बकरियों के. He also saw that stone, but he did not bother, और दूसरी तरफ से around the stone and took the sheep and goat from the other side. Many other people also passed along the same road, but all of them were so irresponsible that they did not bother to remove the stone. Many people passed from that road, but they did not even bother about the stone lying on the middle of the road. Finally, the king called all the people of his kingdom and said, Come, let's remove the stone from the road. The king called all the people of his kingdom and said, We will remove the stone from the road. People were stunned to see the gold coins in the pit when they rolled the stone away. Now when all the people, they were rolling the stone away from the road, they saw there were gold coins in the pit and they were stunned, shocked, हैरान रह गए. Look, there were gold coins under the stone, but no one bothered to remove the stone. Now the king said, there were gold coins in the pit under the stone, and nobody bothered to remove the stone. So no one deserves these gold coins. So the king said, no one deserves the gold coins. कोई इसके योग्य नहीं है stone gold coins के. Had you been responsible and removed the stone, the gold coins would have been yours. King ने कहा, if you were responsible and you would have removed the stone, the gold coins would have been yours. The king said to the people. The king ordered his wazir, take the gold coins to my palace. Now the king ordered his wazir to take all the gold coins to his palace. Gold coins को महल में लेकर आओ. After hearing this, the people felt ashamed and sorry too, and promised to be responsible citizens. Now, after hearing this from the king, the people felt ashamed. People जो हैं, लोग जो हैं, बहुत शर्मिंदा हुए. They also felt sorry for their irresponsibility, and they promised the king that they will become responsible citizen. So children, I hope that you have liked this story. Go through this story, children, and do write the underlined difficult words in your copy. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day, children. Goodbye.